All right, we'll go ahead and get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our coffee break webinar, Avoid Latte Filing, TaxBandits Guide to Last Minute Client Communication. We're covering how the TaxBandits Client Portal works, and most importantly, how to enable the portal for your clients to share and review information securely. My name is Christina, and we at TaxBandits are excited to help you stay informed and IRS compliant. If you have any questions during the presentation, please add them to the chat. If you're unable to see the webinar in full screen, please try clicking the square in the upper right of the webinar to enlarge the view. And as a reminder, TaxBandits is an IRS authorized e-file provider. While we love to talk about taxes and have years and years of experience, we are not tax advisors. If you need assistance with preparing returns or any other specific questions, please consult a certified tax preparer or the IRS. So, what's on the menu today? A quick recap of deadlines for 1099, W-2, and 94X forms. We'll discuss what the client portal is, how to set it up, how to share in-progress forms through the portal, and how to share transmitted forms through the portal. Before we get started, we'll take a quick look at using the GoToWebinar toolbar.
Hello, thanks for joining today's webinar. You can enlarge your screen for the optimal viewing experience using these buttons. You can also click the arrow here to view the hidden menu. The section at the very bottom will twirl out a menu that allows you to ask questions for the host to answer. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy this webinar.
Many IRS forms have recipient copies that must be distributed by January 31st. For example, Form W-2, 1099 NEC, Miscellaneous, K, INT, and DIV. It's also important to note that Form W-2 and 1099 NEC must be e-filed by January 31st. So now that we've recapped upcoming deadlines, let's talk about the client portal. The client portal is a free feature that is available in every tax professional TaxBandits account. The portal allows you to communicate securely with clients during the filing process. You can share forms that are in progress and even forms that have been transmitted. Your clients can create observations to share their feedback, and you are able to respond to and create your own observations as well. You can assign certain staff members to have a client-facing role, meaning only those staff members can communicate with clients through the portal. And you can enable and disable the client portal at any time. Once signed into your TaxBandits account, simply select the 1099 W-2 tab in the upper right corner. Next, select the client that you would like to enable the portal for in the upper left corner. Then, click Client Portal Settings in the lower left corner. Review the steps and click Enable Portal. And it's important to note that this will only enable the portal for the client that you've selected. The client will then receive the email notification based on your settings. As you can see, you'll choose the client details. Those can be updated as needed. They are populated based on the information in your address book. And from there, you'll select the staff member that will be communicating directly with the client through the portal. You can see the status of the portal in your account at any time. Once the client has accepted the email invitation to the portal, the status will be updated in the account. And you can also resend the invitation from here if needed. You can update the client information or staff member under Client Portal Settings. To send messages or requests to the client, just click Add Observation, enter your message, and select to send it. A log of observations between the staff member and the client will be shown here. Not only can you securely communicate and share files with clients through the client portal, you can even share in-progress forms for their review and copies of their transmitted forms. The client portal is a secure and easy way to communicate with your clients, share files, and expedite the process of form review and filing. Now that you're familiar with how to utilize the client portal to have a smooth and successful tax season, let's discuss what's new and enhanced for 2023. Unlimited TIN matching helps you ensure you're reporting accurate information. An enhanced client portal makes communicating with clients easier than ever. Our Smart Upload tool allows you to import Form 1099 NEC details using your own template. And our W-9 Manager makes obtaining vendor information easy and secure. We'll now have a brief Q&A. Please, if you have not already, go ahead and put your questions into the chat and we'll go from there. Okay, our first question is, can I send my client the bulk upload template through the client portal? And yes, once you've downloaded the 1099, W-2, or other template, you can upload that through the client portal to have the client complete it. Once it's completed, they can also upload that completed copy to you through the portal. Our next question is Form W-3 or 1096 required when e-filing? And it's a common question. They are not. We generate them automatically in your account based on what you file, just for your record keeping or for your client's record keeping. But the W-3 and 1096 forms are not required when e-filing. Our next question, is there a separate client portal for each of my clients? The client portal is separate for each client. And we have a related question, which is, what if I don't want to enable the client portal for all of my clients? And you select the clients that you wish to provide the client portal to. So you can provide it to some of your clients and not others, or you can provide it to all of them. That's totally up to you. Okay, I think that is all that we have time for today. Thank you everyone so much for joining us. If we did not get to your question, we will email you, and you're welcome to reach out to us if you have additional questions. We are available by phone, email, and chat. Make sure to check out the live chat feature on our site at TaxBandits.com. And if you haven't already, make sure to create your account now at TaxBandits.com.